This video touches on the topic of managed futures account type selection and how it's really a risk management decision as much as anything else. Account type selection usually isn't considered from the perspective of risk management, but it really should be. There are several key issues the asset manager must recognize. First, as sophisticated investors know, MF Global is an issue. How MF Global is finally resolved will greatly impact account selection relative to the security of account type. Let's just assume the rule of law is intact within the United States. If this is the case, here's how the decisions play out. For the purpose of a high-level overview, consider there are three primary account types. There's a mutual fund, a limited liability partnership, which has a couple different variations to it, and then a direct managed futures segregated account. Each of these account types has certain features and benefits that suit different investor needs. When considering these account types, here are some questions to ask. How does the strategy operate relative to tax efficiency inside a CFC corporation? There are certain types of strategies that work well in that environment, and there are certain types of strategies that don't. Is a K-1 form an issue with the clients or their accountants? If a K-1 form is going to be an issue, that's going to direct you in an account direction. How important is transparency? Would the asset manager require transparency in the margin and equity levels? All fees? Would the asset manager like current position exposure of the fund manager? If one's an active risk manager, this knowledge can be very helpful. Passive risk managers may wish to consider different liability structures, and the transparency may not be as significant an issue. Another issue to discuss relative to managed futures account type is the opportunity to denote your account in any type of currency, including gold and even oil. This is a feature of one account type, but you have to know how to facilitate this. There are also account types for family offices that combine the benefits of a direct segregated account within a limited liability structured wrapper. These are just a few of the account type issues that you need to understand. We're going to provide more details and have interviews with experts on the topic.